How to fix, please wait a few minutes before you try again in Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you that how you can fix this error in your Instagram account. So guys, as you can see, it is saying that you have to wait for a few minutes. Okay, I'll give you two options, whether you can wait for the few minutes and try to log in later, or you can you can use my technique or my tricks to fix this issue. So what you have to do is you have to minimize it, and then you have to come to settings. Just open the settings and then just scroll down, and then you will find the application option. You may find in your mobile application manager, apps installed, or app management, whatever. It will start from the apps. Okay, so what you have to do is click on the applications, and then here you have to find out Instagram application. Let's find out the Instagram application and then solve our problem. As you can see, Instagram is here. Just click over there, and then what you have to do is, the first thing what you have to do is click on the first stop, and click the first stop, and then go to storage usage and click on the clear data and clear it, and then go back. And now the most important part is click on the permission and then allow all these permissions. Now your issue is fixed. Go back to Instagram and log in. You will be logged in, you will be signed up. Okay, as your problem is fixed now. I hope this video helps you. It helps you. If it helps you, give a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching.